Hi guys, my name is Asim Gopal and are you watching my YouTube channel Cubixsol. Today I will explain you AI image generator plugin. It's totally free. You don't need to any configuration or sign up. Just download and install your any WordPress website. So go to add plugin. I'm already installed here the plugin. When you install this plugin, do you see the sidebar on your side menu? The AI image workspace. So this plugin supported by multiple AI engine. The first one is a free and other 98 API engine you need a API key. Just go to like our ChatGPT or OpenAI and generate your API key and configure here. After the setting, by the way, first one is a free. So this plugin supported by the multiple custom post type. So that's why I'm installing one more plugin, the WooCommerce. So I'm click on product. So do you see? I will show you. Give me a second. So I'm going to go to the post. Is a default post is a WordPress. Like I'm search here. Oh God, and click the generate button. And do you see in a few seconds? This car is here, and you want to save. So I will show you. Go to media. Do you see the car here? I will show you one more example. I create a one product is a testing and search stock save and dogs here in a few seconds. Update in dog here. So if you like my this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.